welcome to another video of Minecraft. Well, this is the first video. I have been playing a bit, as you see. It's okay. I was in the nether. This is my first video in Minecraft. Really, there was an asshole here that ate the half of my entire cake and stole all of my tools that were over here at my wall, so I need to prepare new ones. And I'm missing one. What's idiot? Stupid motherfucker. But at least he didn't steal these babies. Oh yeah, look at them. They're so shiny. Okay, there's a spider over there. Guess I'm gonna go and kill it. It's not really fully protected. I mean, I still need to put up the roof of this thing. Who the fuck was mining over here? Come on! Why are people doing this? Why is that motherfucker doing this thing? He has made a passageway where mobs can go through. Motherfucker. Now that just fucked up, man. Seriously fucked up. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. I'm on GPG, PC, PC4, PC3. The PC3 isn't broken anyway, so can't really make videos on that crap anymore. Well, let's go to sleep now. I'll show you guys something funny right after I sleep. Really? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This hole that I have made, it wasn't me actually. It was the creeper. It blew up right next to her house. I needed to rebuild her house a bit. It's okay now. That bed looks horribly wrong at its place. I need to kill an enderman. Ow. have no idea what to do except this cake was a beautiful cake. Rest in peace, cake. From a fucking moron that killed him. He had a family and wife. How can you do that to such a cake? You murderer! You fucking king badger! Motherfucker! He's one little piece of shit. I mean, seriously. Guys, today I will try to be killing a witch. And one more thing, guys. A witch can spawn only at hard mode. Right now it's all fully hard. It's not normal, it's not easy, it's not peaceful. It's hard mode, bro. Whoa. What means that there's... Also, that's where you came from. Oh my gosh, I fucking hate these skeletons, bro. Leave me alone. Please, fucking leave me alone already, you piece of shit. Fail. Such a big fucking fail. Anyways, we're gonna need to wait for nighttime though. And that'll be damn hard. Because I hate when it's always daytime and I have no idea what to do. It's nighttime, then I can kill shit. I mean, seriously. Skeletons are spawning inside water. It's a little tiny pool. I was maybe thinking about getting my own pool in this game. But I really have no idea how to. I mean, seriously, how the fuck do you get your own pool? You can't just make lapis lazuli blocks and just put them down. That's crazy. That's so crazy talk. I fucking hate my job, bro. Anyways, I did kind of make a lot of the good things around here, but really, who fucked it up? You fucking guessed it. He broke a bed over here. He's a bitch. He's one bitch. I need to make another fucking bed. And of course I don't have wood. And I don't even have an axe. Well, shit. Look how many shit over here is made out of wood. Do you know how long it took me? And guys, I was in the nether. Not kidding. I was inside the nether. Maybe next time I'll show you guys. You only need 2 buckets and you gotta be near lava. A little tiny pool of lava and a little pool of water. Now you can just make it. Because you can make obsidian with it. I didn't find any diamonds, but I made 1 block bigger than a usual nether portal, and then I just put lava and water all over, and then it kind of works. I'll show you guys where I put it. It's in the desert. I think it is over there. It's over there. I don't really know. Can you really see it? There it is. That tiny little black spot over there. Nope, that's just a cactus. Wait, guys. Wait. Just got